Alright traders, hello, welcome back, and I apologize for, I think it's been Saturday was the last video, so I've had a few things on, just in regards to Chinese bank accounts, PayPal, all that sort of stuff, so it's been fun. I've been sightseeing as well because the team I'm with has a bit of like holiday time now, so I'm officially on holidays as well, so it's been pretty good, and the VPN's erratic. So on that Saturday to get that video up, it was like 3 or 4 attempts, so it's a little painful, to be honest, at times. Anyway, let's bring up the account. I'll actually be, so the update with Lupus Proprietary Trading or Jackson Capital based in Melbourne is I'll be redoing the 3-month trial, exchanged a few emails and things like that with them. They were quite understanding, and there is a target of 5%, but the gentleman sort of said you showed good consistency the first 3 months, and then these 3 months I'm not going to be focused on the 5%. I'm just going to be focused on executing the system and not sort of over trading and things like that. I do have a couple of positions going on right now, so I'm in a sell on the pound here as well, and that's what it's sort of looking like. I liked how it broke down through that range, and it's obviously bounced nicely, but it's wiki, so we'll see what happens here. For that trade there. Ideally it goes down to around, I might set a target here down. Let's do that now, actually. And I hope everyone's having a fantastic day as well. And 100, not that. And I apologize, I haven't been feeling too well, so let's just see what that looks like on the chart. No, 130. 130. That's better. Sorry about this, everyone. Let me just, some live trading. There's the TP. That's better. So that's that's like a 3-to-1 or so. There's obviously good catalysts in play. As you can see, like the risk, it's around 2% or so. It's a little volatile, so I took this trade. I didn't take it on the other account, the bigger account. What I'd be looking for here is, so I got in, obviously, I'm in a chat group with a gentleman called Brian. He does a little bit of stuff as well, and he brought it up. But I won't take everything, so I'm not like an advocate for signals. Like, you need to do your back testing, you need to do your strategy analysis, and then go from there. So this trade made sense to me. It busted through, and the Brexit thing looks not good for the UK, really. Although the issue you're going to have, and I'm aware of that, so, this is a disclaimer, is that things can quickly change. You've headlines, you've things like that, so it can be a little bit frustrating. So please be very careful. I mean, the stop is a little wide. It's, how many pips is that? It's like, I can't actually, and it's like 100 pips or so. I got in at like 1.4. And then the stop is over to, so it's like around 100 pips or so. But definitely a risk disclaimer is, always don't risk a large amount per trade, and be careful with stop placements as well. And just be aware that, sometimes things can just happen, and do not get too frustrated. So that's that trade. And now the Aussie dollar as well. Aussie dollar's not sort of as good. If we go to the daily, I liked it on the daily here with this engulfing candle. So it's risen up, it's gone back below the 55-day moving average on the daily. And the reason why I'm really on the daily is I'm just with my work and everything, and I'm just enjoying. Honestly, I'm enjoying being in Beijing and exploring things, and because once the athletes return in 2 weeks or so, it's going to be a little bit difficult to go and do that because we only have one day in the week where we can do that on Sunday. So it's just been fun to get around and things like that and meet new people. And so that's that. That's the Aussie dollar. That's the pound update. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll check in. I'll really try and check in on Saturday, and we'll go from there. Bye for now.